what's your favorite food?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Oh my God.
Sweet.
Ah, your favorite, it's sweet.
Ooh, yum yum. Look at me. Ooh, yum yum.
Love
Don't
that.
you want me want you, baby? Don't you need you know? City mom, I go crazy. All I do is with me.
Are we going to Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Tunang na ma-face ko sinomot to at si Apo-Kapatid.
Oh,
Si Maui!
yes, Moana and Maui. Mag-hi tayo sa kanila.
Let's go kumawa dito ko kumawa.
Si Kokomora.
Still.
You're Do you eat fruits?
It's a drink water.
Ah, you drink lots of
Dug,
water.
dug, 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 dug.
Like that?
Yeah.
Do you see the big Christmas tree?
Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Santa Claus.
Ando.
Bakit wala sa doon? Bakit wala sa bakit ditiling sa tuni? Bakit wala sa tini? Bakit ditiling sa... Let's go eat that salmon! My hair!
What's wrong with your hair?
I think ang hair ko sa Facebook. Kana mo biglang si Tete ang sini mo.
Yes.
Ang sini mo. Nasa SM tayo.
You can tell me what you want.
What? Fries!
Fries!
My
Fries! But
favorite.
fries it.
Nuggets!
Nuggets or spaghetti? What do you want?
Nuggets!
Are you sure?
Burger.
Nuggets and burger?
Yes.
Okay.
My favorite! Marunix. Hi! Nuggets po, nuggets,
Nuggets and?
burger. At tutok din.
6 pieces po
At
na.
tutok din nana.
Yeah. What?
At tutok din nila si panatok ako.
Barbecue
Ang
po.
tutok.
And then just
Awa, tutok.
a second, baby. And then isa pong regular yam.
At tutok.
And then
Ay, tutok. Ang tutok.
3 pies to go po. Peach mango po. 3 pieces yung to go. So wag na lang po if matagal. Yung nuggets na 6 pieces with fries and drinks na lang din. Ah, wait, mainit pa ang fries ha. Kasama mo na lang eat. Okay? Eh, mainit pa eh. Gusto mo mapaso ikaw. Okay, lalagay ko sa AC para Okay, para. Wait, what is it? Where? What's that? May food doon? May food din naman tayo ah. Di kaya we just bought Jollibee. You forgot? You forgot? May friends ako sa home, okay? You're shy? Don't worry. Mabait sila. You don't have to be shy. Mabait sila. They're kind. I don't know. Ate, Samia. Not Ate Poop. Ate Samia. Her name is Ate Therese. No. Don't say that, ha? call you Chen Pop.
Hi. I'm Dad. What's Abi Apune?
I'm
You are Deye. You Dad with Abi Apune.
Deye Kapule.
No.
I am Deye Kapule. What's my name?
Nanay Deye.
Nanay Deye only? But I
Stop talking about with Pune.
okay, I'll stop. I'm
Stop
sorry.
talking about.
Okay, I'll stop talking about it.
I'm funny.
I'm